Hey guys, it's Ria. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on this wig. If you would like to know more about this wig, stay tuned. So we're just gonna get right into it. First off, so this is a human hair wig. I've been doing a lot of synthetic hair and synthetic styling, so I decided to just go and get a human hair wig. This wig is from Unice hair. It is the Unice reddish brown body wave human hair lace front. It is a 13x4 lace and is 150 density. And I wanted something kind of short for the summer, not too long and just be on my back or anything like that. So I got this in the length 16. And it comes right about, I'd say like right up here, just, you know, lower on your shoulder. I am loving the color. I will show you guys how the wig came out straight out the box. It did have like a wavy texture to it, kind of poofy too. So right now this is just with water. No, not water. I'm sorry, this is just with mousse added. So this is how it looks. And you know guys, I am loving this color. Like, I wanted to initially try out a red wig, and then I saw this wig and I just thought it was perfect to complement my skin tone, and I felt like it was a different color for the summer. Usually this will probably be like something for winter, you know, more fallish, but I decided I wanted to get this for the summer, baby. But you guys will see like a mini install. I didn't go too in detail. So yeah, about a 13 by 4 lace. It did come with like some little like goodies. So there was a wig cap in there. There's some lashes, a comb, and then they have like section clips, like pretty much like duck clips. As far as shipping goes, it did take quite a bit for me to receive this wig. In total, I think it took about a week for me to receive this wig. I didn't pay too much for this wig, which I really liked. It's pretty affordable for a human hair wig. It was, in total, I paid $185. It was originally $178, and then I did use a coupon as well. So it brought it to like 180 something, and then plus the tax was like $9. So yeah, $185.28 is what I ended up paying. Did get free shipping. So far I like the wig. I hope you guys like the little install. I did try to add some baby hairs. You guys know, if you have been watching me for a few weeks or a few months, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you probably know that I am not the best at edges, and I'm kind of just working on getting better, but this is kind of like what I have for the edges. I did go for like a side part. I definitely think I can pluck the side part a little bit better so that it can be a little bit defined, but I totally like how it is right now. But yeah, you guys, this is the lovely wig. So far so good. I'm liking it. There's very minimal shedding, and I'll just kind of keep you guys updated. You guys should definitely check out this wig. If you do have this wig, like, let me know your feelings of this wig, your thoughts. But overall, I am excited for this wig. I'm excited to style it in different type of ways, and yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys when I see you in my next video. Bye.